how to bring your ChatGPT inside Excel to solve any problem lightning fast. So if you find this video tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel as well as clicking on that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads and new tutorials in this channel. So if you are looking for an innovative and efficient way on using or integrating your chat OpenAI or ChatGPT in your Excel, so this is the right video for you. So in this video I am not going to show you how to use only AI and use it on your Excel, but I am going to show you on how to use it inside Excel and solve any problems lightning fast. So if you want to learn, please watch at the end of this video, and let's go. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So I'll show you the benefits or the possibilities. So for example, first we have here a question. So like any other AI bot, it will answer a question just like this one. So as you can see here that the if you have multiple question line of answers, it will also give you an output where it is in different cells, just like this one. As you can see the names of these people in the different cells. So this is how it works. So you can see if you ask a question like top 10 hip-hop songs of the 90s, what you can see is the script running here in the right corner of our Excel on the right side. So as you can see here that the script is running while you are asking a question. So this means that this AI or Excel feature is run on scripts. Alright, so what if you have decided to resolve a problem? So we have here a table where we can see a lot of sheets or a few sheets like games, productivity, and analysis. And if you could see that I am on the productivity analysis, so I would want is to have a sum of the productivity in the sheet. So what we can do is ask AI on what formula what we are going to use, since if we use the if else conditions, we would not see or we would see a lot of sheets or different sheets for this output. So let us see if this works. So we have pasted our question in the box where we are able to ask the AI in our Excel. So the question says that I need an extra formula. I need to get the sum of column B from different sheets. The sheet name is in cell A2, so the A2 is where the name of the sheet is. So it has provided us with this formula, and this formula is in the sum or indirect, and also it is directed in the cell A2. So if you have already got this formula just like this one, what you can do is just to copy and paste it on the sheet or on the other table, so we can see if it would give us a number. So I will show you right here. So there you go, it has given us a number in the revenue section of this sheet. And if you total or get the sum of this revenue manually by viewing the sheet that is assigned to it, you will see that the number is also the same with the sum that has been provided by the formula that was given by our AI in our Excel software. So we have here a new set of tasks that we can have for our chatbot in our Excel. So let's go and see if this works as well. So this is a analysis problem that I am going to show you. So we have here in the BMW website the balance sheets and segments for the month of December for BMW. So you can also do this manually, but AI in our Excel can help us. So let us go and copy and paste this analysis sheet for our website, or from this website to our Excel. So that we have pasted it, I have been able to ask a question for this AI: what are the risks based on the balance sheet? So it has given me this statements from the balance sheet on what are the risks, but of course you have to cross check this yourself, because AI just gives anything. So but this is a great help for you on checking a balance sheet from any data given. So we have a data right here where it is um, separated in each of the cells. So what we can do to separate this in each of the cells for every data is this. So go to the data option or section of the Excel and go to text to columns, where you can see my cursor right there in the top right corner of the Excel. And then once you go there, you can go to the delimited option, just check it. Once you check it, click on next, and once you go next, you would choose the delimiter like space, comma, and like that. So if you have chosen already, just place or check finish, and once you have finished it, you would see that the data have been separated in each of the cells, like the month and the two numbers that are data as well, that have been put into two different cells. So I hope those have inspired you in using AI in your Excel. So let us now see on how to integrate the AI on our Excel. So in order to integrate our AI, we must have two things. These are the scripts and the API key from our ChatGPT. So in the script section, we have here on the automation part, so you can create this script on the Excel desktop, since before it is only available in the web version of Excel. So right now there is an update where you can now use automations or scripts in your Microsoft Excel in the web, in the desktop, and also in the Teams. And of course, in the next one, we have our API keys. So what you can do is go to your ChatGPT or open chat.ai.com. So first, of course, you must need to have an account for it. So if you don't have an account, just create one. And then if you have, you can go to the API keys. And in the API keys, you can have your keys by creating a new secret key. And once you have done that, you can go to the documentation part, where you can see instructions and scripts on how or codes on how to integrate this ChatGPT chatbot in your Excel. So we have here the documentation part, where you can see all the things that you want to know on setting up your chatbot in your Excel. So to do this, first you have to go to the new script button in your Excel for your desktop. Once you have done that, it will create a new script right here, and go to edit. So once you have edited, click on edit, you will see these codes right here, and you will see that the main function or synchronous function, and also the workbook Excel script, so that it will interact with the functions of the Excel in our desktop. And also you can see here the my text, that it is in cell B2, where you can see or find your questions. And after that, you can have your outputs there in the text in cell B4, just like it is set up earlier. So, and for the API key, you can paste it in here in the part that I have highlighted. So if you find any questions, just refer to the documentation part of the chat OpenAI. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and see you on the next video.